7.
Good afternoon. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The Sensex has just hit 18,000. We're going to go across to our colleagues in NDTV Profit to tell us more about this.
Across to Manishi Ray Chaudhary, who joins us on the phone line. Manishi, I know that it's not just a number really. 18K means a lot with the kind of run-up we've had, with the kind of place we have in the world now. Where from here? What's your reaction in terms of just about a celebration time beginning?
Well, I don't know. I mean, you didn't exactly ask me a very specific question, but I'll tell you what we feel about the market in general at this point in time. Firstly, as you know that we have a 1-year forward target of 19,000 for the Sensex, and the market has possibly almost gone close to that level just too fast, too soon. Having said that, I will also mention that in course of last 2 or 3 months, we have seen quite serious earnings upgrades. So, for instance, the Sensex EPS estimates for fiscal 8 and fiscal 9 have been upgraded by almost about 6 to 10%. So, the import of that is that what is appearing relatively expensive today may not appear so expensive tomorrow if the earnings upgrades continue. Currently, the valuation of the market is at about 19.3 times 1 year forward, which may appear slightly stretched, though not overly expensive, because the sustainable earnings growth of this market is in the range of about 20%. Now, the point of saying all this is that if the market corrects slightly from here, maybe, somewhere close to 8 to 10%, we would not be really worried about that. That should not be taken as a reason for concern. And I think any such correction is actually part and parcel of a bull market. So I think such corrections should be taken as entry opportunities into this market, particularly for investors who have missed out on this rally.
Right. All right, Manishi, we're just going to share our levels of excitement with our viewers. Manishi, appreciate your time and thank you so very much for joining us. This one's for Prashant and for Ajay. Prashant, 18th. 18. Does that ring a bell, Prashant? Officially, you can go out, you're allowed to drink and you're allowed to drive. Is that something which we should learn from the market now?
A little older than that, but well, it's 18,000 of the market and fantastic, feeling. It's been quite a journey, and the last couple of 1,000 points have come in such a short time span that one does not realize that it's a 1,000-point leap each time the market goes from 16 to 17 and then 17 to 18,000. And it's quite a relief, Nikunj, because I was watching you and Namrata out there, and couldn't really move away from that Sensex and Nifty page, had to be there. We hit 17,992, 17,996, came back below to about 17,950, and we've done 18,000 on the Sensex. Finally, it's going to go down. There's another historic sessions in it, and it's come in 8 trading sessions, just over the previous 1,000-point leap, which actually took 5 trading sessions. 16 to 17 took 5 sessions. 17 to 18 has taken 8 trading sessions, Nikunj. And there's a surprise out there, Nikunj. You want to guess the surprise? What's the surprise in the last 1,000-point rally?
Prashant, more than the surprise, it just reminded me of a song, that 18 till we die. So I hope it doesn't die here. That's my only concern now.
It doesn't look like it, Nikunj. The surprise I was perhaps pointing out to was that for the past 3,000 points, that is from about actually 14,000 levels, 14 to 15, 15 to 16, and then 16 to 17, there was only one stock which was at the top of the list as far as outperformance is concerned, the biggest weight. I remember Reliance Industries contributed about 36% to the last 1,000-point leap. This time around, after about 3,000 or 4,000 odd points, it's Infosys Technologies. It's the biggest weight, and it's added the most in terms of points, index points in the last 1,000-point rally on the Sensex. That's quite something. Everybody pretty much ruled out technology as a space